A clean, healthy, and inviting swimming pool starts with one essential piece of equipment: the pool pump. Often referred to as the heart of a pool's circulation system, the pump is responsible for moving water through the filtration system, helping remove debris, maintain water clarity, and distribute pool chemicals evenly throughout the water. Without a reliable pool pump, even the best filtration systems can struggle to keep pool water clean and safe for swimming. Modern pool pumps have come a long way in recent years. Today's models offer improved energy efficiency, quieter operation, stronger water circulation, and advanced motor technology that can help reduce operating costs while maintaining excellent performance. From powerful single-speed pumps to advanced variable-speed models designed for maximum efficiency, there are many options available to suit different pool sizes and budgets. Selecting the right pump involves considering factors such as flow rate, energy consumption, durability, ease of installation, and long-term reliability. In this guide, we're counting down the top 5 best pool pumps for 2026 to help you find the perfect balance of performance, efficiency, and value. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5 is the Intex Swimming Pool Pump. Intex has long been one of the most recognizable names in the above-ground pool market, and its swimming pool pump remains a popular choice among homeowners looking for a reliable and easy-to-use circulation solution. Designed primarily for above-ground pools, this pump provides dependable water movement that helps maintain cleaner and healthier pool conditions. One of the biggest advantages of the Intex pump is its simplicity. Installation is generally straightforward, making it a practical choice for pool owners who want a hassle-free setup process. Many users appreciate the user-friendly design, especially those who are new to pool ownership. The pump also helps improve overall water circulation by continuously moving water through the filtration system. Proper circulation is essential for removing debris, distributing chemicals evenly, and preventing stagnant areas where algae and contaminants can develop. Coming in at number 4 is the SUTEC 2.0 HP Pool Pump. For homeowners seeking increased circulation power, the SUTEC 2.0 HP Pool Pump offers strong performance designed to handle larger pools and more demanding filtration systems. A powerful motor allows this pump to move significant volumes of water efficiently, helping improve overall pool cleanliness and water quality. One of the standout features of this model is its robust motor output. Strong water circulation is essential for maintaining proper filtration performance, particularly in larger swimming pools where water must travel longer distances through plumbing and filtration equipment. The durable construction is another major advantage. Pool pumps often operate for many hours each day during the swimming season, making reliability an important consideration. The SUTEC pump is designed to withstand continuous operation while maintaining consistent performance. At number 3 is the Aquastrong 16-inch sand filter pump. This model stands out because it combines water circulation and filtration functionality into a convenient integrated system. Sand filter pumps have become increasingly popular among pool owners because they provide efficient filtration while reducing maintenance requirements compared to some traditional filter systems. One of the biggest advantages of the Aquastrong unit is its ability to circulate and filter water simultaneously. As water passes through the sand filter, dirt, debris, and contaminants are captured, helping maintain crystal-clear pool water. The 16-inch filtration system provides ample filtering capacity for many residential pools, making it suitable for homeowners seeking efficient water treatment without complicated maintenance routines. Sand filters are particularly appealing because the filter media typically requires less frequent replacement than cartridge filters. Another benefit is long-term operating efficiency. The integrated design helps streamline pool maintenance while supporting consistent water quality throughout the swimming season. Taking the number 2 spot is the StreamPower US Swimming Pool Pump. StreamPower US has developed a strong reputation for producing pool equipment that combines performance and value, and this swimming pool pump is one of the company's most popular offerings. Designed for efficient water circulation, it delivers reliable performance for a wide range of residential pool applications. One of the biggest strengths of this pump is its powerful water flow capability. Effective circulation helps improve filtration performance, supports even chemical distribution, and reduces the likelihood of debris accumulation in different areas of the pool. The motor is engineered to provide dependable operation while maintaining relatively efficient energy usage. Pool owners often run pumps for extended periods each day, so balancing performance with operating costs is an important consideration. Durability is another strong point. High-quality construction materials help protect the pump from wear and environmental exposure, contributing to longer service life and dependable operation throughout multiple swimming seasons. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Varmanpool Variable Speed Pool Pump. Variable speed technology has transformed the pool industry, and the Varmanpool Variable Speed Pool Pump represents one of the most advanced and efficient options currently available for residential pool owners. One of the biggest advantages of a variable speed pump is energy efficiency. Unlike traditional single-speed pumps that operate at full power continuously, variable speed models allow users to adjust motor speed based on the pool's specific circulation needs. This can result in significant energy savings while still maintaining excellent water quality. Another major benefit is quieter operation. Lower operating speeds often produce less noise, creating a more enjoyable backyard environment for homeowners and their families. The pump also offers enhanced control and flexibility. Different circulation tasks require different flow rates, and variable speed technology allows users to customize performance for filtration, cleaning, water features, and routine maintenance activities. Choosing the right pool pump depends on several important factors. Pool size, filtration requirements, energy efficiency, circulation performance, durability, and operating costs all play important roles when selecting the best model for your needs. A high-quality pool pump does far more than simply move water. It helps maintain water clarity, supports proper chemical distribution, improves filtration performance, and contributes to a healthier swimming environment. Investing in a reliable pump can reduce maintenance requirements and improve the overall enjoyment of your pool for years to come. That wraps up our guide to the top 5 best pool pumps for 2026. From the dependable Intex swimming pool pump, the powerful Sutec 2.0 HP pool pump, the versatile Aquastrong 16-inch sand filter pump, the high-performing Stream Power US swimming pool pump, to the top-rated Varmanpool variable speed pool pump, there's a perfect option here for every pool owner and budget. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest home improvement reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.